Yeah, go.
We've been going. Let's go.
I just needed to get.
Go.
You're already half sold down. Oh my god.
Chug it.
Chug it all.
Just imagine the pain he's in right now.
Oh man, I know.
He's gonna puke all over the fucking kitchen.
Shut up, dude. Break it.
Apparently that's not as hard as it looks.
Yeah, I know! Is the lime or lemon juice worse than the lime juice?
You're not getting sick, are you?
I'm glad you didn't cry like this at the bar last night. I would have been embarrassed.